Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alaya AI token. Now the Alaya AI token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting today, May 16th. And we're going to talk about the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the BSC scan. It's a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. So you can find it at bscscan.com. 18 decimal places, 2,732 holders so far. Max total supply, 5 billion tokens, ticker symbol AGT. And the full name of the token is the Alaya Governance Token. So that's what AGT stands for. But the name of the project is Alaya AI. It says Alaya AI is a next-gen decentralized artificial intelligence platform that empowers users to own, monetize, and control their data. Built with scalability and user privacy in mind, Alaya aims to transform how data fuels AI across Web3. Now this token here just got a very big central exchange listing starting this morning at May 16th, which is today, 9 a.m. UTC time. This token got listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search AGT, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token is also paired. It became paired today also with USDC. So you could buy it with USDT or USDC. So check it out today on Mexc. And there's some other big projects also being listed on Mexc that I'll be posting videos about. So stay tuned for that. Now, if you want to find their Twitter, their X, it's in the corner of the screen there, at Alaya_AI, 623.8 thousand followers on X. They have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go there. Blue verified checkmark, 540 tweets, very active on the socials. So, Alaya AI. Alaya is an open, composable Web3 AI data infrastructure network designed to connect distributed data communities with open and composable AI networks by infusing AI training and automated data processing with blockchain technology and gamification, designed to unlock open data access for both personal and enterprise AI applications. Alaya AI supports both distributed data crowdsourcing and direct P2P data requests through a unified platform. Our open composable structure provides AI projects with the opportunity to set up unique custom data reward pools to offer their own platform tokens as payment for custom data requests. Alaya AI's open platform further revolutionizes the Web3 AI economy by tokenizing AI models to incentivize data contribution with AGT AI model staking pools. AI model tokenization allows Web3 communities to support the development of distributed AI technologies by directly funding the development and fine-tuning of AI models through AGT staking pools. Now, AGT staking is incentivizing active users to contribute to Alaya's AI's auto-labeling AI models and deter malicious actors and free riding incentives. They have custom token rewards and tailored data requests, which provide organic Web3 incentives to satisfy custom data demands of small, medium AI startups. Social gaming incentives combine daily task bonuses with additional affiliate commissions for organic data community growth. Now, they go over the whole history of AI. Obviously, we don't need to go over that, but they talk about data markets. They talk about significant human capital and expertise for casual freelance data contribution, which remains underutilized. And the rapid increase in the number of Web3 users and custom AI applications has created significant demand for the Web3 native data platform. So Alaya AI harnesses the power of human feedback to enhance data quality by unlocking public access to AI data monetization through a combination of blockchain technology, Web3 gamification, and optimized pre-processing algorithms. Our mission is to make AI data collection and monetization freely accessible to support the exponential growth in data demand across both Web 2 and Web 3 markets. Now, they have Medium articles as well. If you want to read even more, they have tons of Medium articles. Now, Alaya AI utilizes a distributed data sampling structure that connects data provider communities through an integrated Web3 data infrastructure network. So Alaya AI's standard data business processing follows a streamlined and highly automated sequence. AI training questions are provided by data customers and added to Alaya's question bank based on each customer data specific requirements. Alaya AI's automatically distributes training tasks from our extensive AI ML question bank to suitable users for labeling and annotation based on user records and expertise. Training tasks are completed by distributed networks of individual contributors through targeted sampling algorithms optimized through HITL-assisted AI model fine-tuning. Now, the automated data pre-processing and quality assessment is applied before final delivery based on customer data specifications, ZK encryption, and data desensitization, and are applied to ensure minimal privacy risks and data contributions. Now, they also have the open data platform, and they also have data auto labeling toolset. There's a user manual and the whole technology paper that you could find at alaya-ai.gitbook.io. That's going to be the full document section. So go check that out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.